Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix Capital One app not working or fix your login or connection issue. So first thing first, what you want to do is you could go with the basic steps, check your credentials. So whenever you're trying to log in, there could be a typos or error. So you want to make sure to refresh or reset that should be able to fix as well. Now moving on, other than that, you could also check your internet. So go to your respective settings on your device and locate network and internet, and here you could just go ahead and restart or refresh. That should be able to fix. Now other than that, what you also want to do is check for an update. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version, so make sure to open up your respective app store, type in type in Capital One, and here, so basically you want to type in Capital One. And when you type in Capital One, make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Now other than that, what you also want to do is, if the issue still persists on, you could also go ahead and clear your cache as well as data. For that, you just want to go ahead and locate Capital One, long press the app, click on the app info icon, and here you just want to go ahead and click on storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache and storage, and that should be able to fix. Now if nothing works out, restart your device, at the same time reinstall, and that's how you'll be able to fix your Capital One app not working. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.